Can you build a car go across this broken bridge?
I'm not sure. Let me find the best option.
Huh? Well done, Mr. Hand. It's so difficult.
I have got an idea. This is the best option.
I agree with you.
In Smiling Critter's world,
I want to play the grabber machine.
Me too.
Let's see who get there first.
Uh-huh. First come, first served.
Let's race again.
the obstacle course race. The racetrack is fraught with numerous obstacles, presenting challenges for both cars. Let's start. The Dog Day car is leading. Oh no, the catnap car crashed, but it can get up and continue. The catnap car is marvelous.
I'll win.
Passed.
Loser.
Oh no, the Dog Day car is struggling to move forward. Keep going. Keep going.
Ow, what's wrong? I won't give up.
How to build a climbing car. Upgrade the Dog Day car to the Hoppy Hopscotch car. Split the car in half. Increase the power of the car. Connect. Testing. Add the Hoppy Hopscotch head.
I'll be there to win.
The Hoppy Hopscotch car started participating in the race.
Come on, come on. I came back. You arrived first. You choose the next stage.
The sawdust stage. This stage is shorter, so I'll finish first.
Sawdust. I will pass the sawdust easily.
Oh no, my car is stuck.
Keep it up.
Come on.
Meanwhile,
Orbeez. Can the Hoppy Hopscotch car pass?
I will overcome this.
Unbelievable! The Hoppy Hopscotch car passed the Orbeez hole. Meanwhile, the Catnap car is still stuck on Sawdust Road.
I shouldn't have chosen this stage.
I did it.
It's just because you got lucky.
I want to have a lot of teddy bears.
Let's go back.
Next time, I'll win. Hey, don't think you can escape. Stop. My car's not exactly built for staircases. I'll catch you.
How to build a climbing car. Build the frame. Add an engine. Add wheels. Level 1. Obstacle 1. Passed. Level 2. Obstacle 2. Passed. Level 3. Obstacle 3. Failed.
I'll try the plan B.
How to upgrade a climbing car. Build the frame. Add an engine. Connect. Add wheels. Obstacle 1. Passed. Level 2. Obstacle 2. Passed. Obstacle 3. Level 3.
No obstacle can hinder my pursuit.
Passed.
Time to climb. That mouse is mine. Oh no!
The roar of the engines, the sleek design. JCB is in it to win the competition. Komatsu presents 3 of their unparalleled vehicles. As the engines roar, the battle intensifies, with defeat spelled by the toothpaste. Welcome to the first round of this unique competition. Spinner, Harvester. The victory will be determined by this toothpastes.
Round 1. Fight!
Spinner and Harvester starts a fierce tug-of-war. Each car is trying to gain the upper hand, leading them to their victory. Seems like the Harvester is turning the tables. Oh no, Spinner is gonna lose in a dramatic turn. Awesome! Congratulations, Komatsu emerges victorious.
Look, what is this?
Orbeez, right?
Sakar, Drill Car,
Round 2. Fight!
links the two giants in this fierce tug-of-war. The engines emit a high-pitched whine.
Keep it up.
Make your effort.
The atmosphere of electric. The crowd's anticipation builds with each passing second.
The saw is going to win, isn't it?
Wow, look how impressed the saw does. Engines roaring in anticipation. Cheers to JCB's outstanding performance. Chainsaw car, hammer car.
Final round. Fight!
Both trucks are primed and ready. Stay tuned to witness spectacles of power.
Fantastic.
The sound echoing across the field. Keep it up. Marvelous.
Come on, you can do it. Go for it.
Everyone's holding their breath. Chainsaw begins to gain advantage. That's it. JCB win. Chainsaw did great this time. Congratulations to the victorious truck in this thrilling tug-of-war contest. Railroad crossing.
Someone calls 911.
I've had an accident. I need assistance.
We'll be there in a few minutes.
How was a car carrier truck made? Step 1. Testing the chassis. Step 2. Connect a truck head to a chassis. Step 3. Build a fold ramp gate. Step 4. Build an upper floor lifting. Testing the automation. How does it work? Railroad crossing.
Luckily, everyone is okay.
Let's begin.
I'm almost done.
All right, we'll handle the rest.
Good luck. Rescue station.
I came back.
We're ready.
Try your best.
Of course, trust us.
Come on, let's do it together.
Let's begin.
Let's go. Huh? What's this? We will look for the treasure. Huh?
Let me try. car to climb the slope.
Step 1. Install the body. Step 2. Install the wheels. Step 3. How it operates.
Yeah.
To be continued.
Driving Lego cars on sand. Will all the cars can overcome this formidable challenge? Watch the entire video to discover the surprise. Now, let's get started.
Are you ready?
Number 1, rolling car.
Can't move.
Number 2, sail car.
Come on.
Number 3, unwheel car.
Good job.
Number 4, race car.
Impossible.
Number 5, climbing car. Congratulations. Number 6, transporting car.
Fighting.
Number 7, big wheeled car.
Easy game.
Number 8, basic car.
Come on. Come on.
Number 9, tall wheeled car.
Bad car.
Number 10, normal car.
Great.
The race just finished. 5 cars did not pass the challenge, including cars that were predicted to reach the top 1. And here is the top 5 best performance cars. Congratulations! Do you have a LEGO cars? What kind of content you'd like us to test in the next video? Let vote in the comments below.
In the previous episode.
Wait a minute.
Step 1. Install the body. Step 2. Install the wheels. Step 3. How it operates.
We did it! So scary!
Huh? Are you okay?
I'm okay, but the car is broken.
I have an idea.
Step 1. Install the body. Step 2. Install the wheels. Step 3. How it operates.
You can do it!
Alex, fighting!
Oh no, my car! I don't want to lose.
There is a river ahead. I will help you cross it and win. Round 1. 20 centimeters. How to build big two-wheeled car. Step 1. Install the car's body. Step 2. Install the wheels. Step 3. How does it work?
Wow, my rolling card looks great.
Let's go. Round 2. 40 centimeters.
What? Orbeez pool? Whoa!
Help me get out of here. I'm dizzy.
This car shakes so much that I get carsick.
Let me upgrade it. How to build big for wheeled car. Step 1. Install the car's body. Step 2. Install the wheels. Step 3. Complete installation. Step 4. How does it work?
Let's go!
Fight!
Congratulations, Alex.
We did it!
Welcome to the next challenge.
What's going
Oh
on?
no!
Oh my god, unbelievable.
Huh? Next challenge? Huh? My money!